Mike 7 Whiskey, Juliet Oscar. Tail end of the walk, just underneath the towering edifice of Dol Idris. Come down this rather lovely tree-lined path. Most of the autumnal colours have started to fade, and it's definitely feeling a lot more winterish. Well, it's not too bad today. We're at I think it's about 10 degrees. Just coming into the car park. I've put Fergus back in the car because it's not easy taking a video when you got him on the lead. I'll take you up to the car, see what Fergus is doing. No doubt he'll be a bit anxious that he's been left in the car, which I don't do very often. Here he is, the face in the window. How can you resist a Westie? Fergus. That's all on his own. Not for long though. Okay, that's all for now, guys. Get back in, it's just starting to rain, and we'll get back into the shack, do some more videos. M7WJO from the slightly rainy shadows of Dol Idris. Catch you later.